Hey, it's Nathan with CrazyEyeMarketing.com. In this video, we're going to take a look at team members and collaborators within your ClickFunnels 2.0 account. So what this allows you to do is add people to your account, and you can give them special permissions to like build funnels or handle your customers or create marketing automations and so on. So let's go ahead and get into it. And so first things first, you need to come down here to settings and scroll all the way to the bottom, and you'll see team settings right here. We'll go ahead and click on this button, and it opens a whole new tab. And within this tab, you can go ahead and change your team name and create a team logo and change your team's primary time zone if you want. And then on the left hand side, we do have some navigation. So the next thing we have is workspaces. And so depending on the account you have with ClickFunnels, you may be allowed to have more than one workspace. And right here, you would be able to go ahead and add a new workspace if you're permitted to do so. Now, my account only allows for one workspace, so that's all I've got. But if you can add more, you would click that button and go ahead and add additional workspaces. Right here is your team member. So this is where you can go ahead and add a new team member. So we're going to go ahead and do that right here. And you can go ahead and plug in their address. So I'm going to go ahead and create a new team member address and give them a name. And you could also go ahead and invite them as a team administrator. And team administrators can manage billing and manage special privileges for other users. So this basically makes them like a system admin. And this is basically your level of account. So maybe if you're a partner with somebody, you want to give them a team administrator access, but unless you want to give somebody complete control over your ClickFunnels account, you don't want to tick that block. So I'm going to go ahead and create an invitation, and ClickFunnels is going to send an email to this email address right here. And so here's the email I received. Nathan Williams has invited you to join the team and blah, blah, blah. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this link, and I'm going to go ahead and open a new incognito window, and we'll go ahead and visit that link and see where it takes us. And so it wants me to go ahead and set up an account. So Nathan +3 at Crazy Eye Marketing. So password and sign up. And then it also is requesting my phone number. And then next. And I get this welcome to ClickFunnels 2.0 message, but I'm going to go ahead and close out of it. And now this individual can see into my ClickFunnels account. So they could click around and see kind of like some stuff that I have going on. Now, the individual can't do anything in here, like if they try and click into a blog post, like it won't let them. Or if they come down to funnels and they try and click into a funnel to make changes to it, they won't be able to. And you can see this message, you are not authorized to access this page. So they can look inside my account here, but they can't really do anything until I give them permission to do different things. And so that's what we're going to talk about right now. So I've added them to my team. And in order to give them access to certain areas in the ClickFunnels account, I need to go back to regular ClickFunnels, so outside of this Teams area. And what I want to go ahead and do is come to Settings, and then you see Collaborators right here. And we're going to go ahead and add a new collaborator. So we'll come to the top right corner and click on Add New Collaborator. And I need to go ahead and select the team member that I want to go ahead and use. So I've got Nathan +3, which I just added. And then there are these various roles that I can go ahead and apply to Nathan +3. And there's definitions on what each role allows somebody to do. So this is what a reader permits, customer support, affiliate manager, funnel building, and so on. So these are all the roles and what each role has access to. So depending on the team member you're adding, you could go ahead and select whatever relevant roles. And we could go ahead then and do create collaborator. So now this person has the role of funnel builder and reader. So let me go back to their version of ClickFunnels, and I'm going to go ahead and refresh it real quick. And I don't know if you noticed, but the create product button now showed up. So I could go in and edit products now, or if I come to funnels, and remember I tried to click into this funnel but couldn't. Well, now that I have that permission as a collaborator, I can go ahead and click in there, and I can go ahead and edit the funnels and everything else. So that's how you can go ahead and add team members and collaborators and give them different roles and permissions. Of course, if you want to remove somebody, then you just come to the collaborators area and you can go ahead and delete them right out of there. And additionally, you can come back to the general settings area and go over to the team settings, and you can navigate to your team members, and you can go ahead and remove this individual from your team. So remove from team, proceed, and now that individual is gone. So this can be a great way to let like freelancers into your ClickFunnels account and not give them like full and total control over everything. And also so that way you can remove them from your account once they've done whatever task and whatever else you hired them to do. And that's really it for this video. Hope you found it helpful. If you did, I appreciate any sorts of likes, comments, subscribes, and or head over to crazyeyemarketing.com for more marketing information. And I hope you have a great rest of the day.